I was 16 years old. I learned it from a distant relative from back home in Athens, Greece, who was working at home at the time doing part-time work after his daytime job. So I was interested to learn about the trade, so I offered if it was okay for me to go and, watch him and learn how things are done. And every day was more, every day passed by and I was getting more interested. So after not too long, I decided to quit going to school and learn the trade. At the time, it was Rolex watch company that I worked for, and I was working mainly on Rolex and two-door watches. Two-door is an affiliated company of Rolex, as we all know. So I was practicing and learning, and because of my credentials, I was able, and my skills, I guess, I was able to get a lot of high-end watch repairs from various jewelry stores or importers of watches, etc. I was still anxious to know about more brands and more watches. So the best way to do that was to go on your own, to be self-employed, which way you would have a chance to get many more different brands to repair. And so on, I went 1974, I decided to become self-employed, working for my own. That went on for a good decade or so. My business had grown quite a bit. I had acquired 3 or 4 full-time watchmakers and 2 or 3 part-time watchmakers. So life was going on fairly normal. And well, I don't want to brag about it, but I consider myself a fairly good watchmaker. As a watchmaker, it's hard to say when you've seen it all. You start, and then decades later you find out, oh, I never seen this timepiece. This business is troubleshooting. You're constantly trying to figure out what's gone wrong so the watch doesn't work properly or doesn't keep time or stops. And now that makes it 45 plus, almost 50 years. No, it is 50 years as a watchmaker. And there is still the odd time that I see something that I haven't seen before. Yeah. And that's one of the things that this is a fascinating and very interesting trade. You can develop a passion very easily for it, So the trade has been good for me. I raised a family, made a decent living. I have never been unemployed. I worked all my life since 16. So I have no complaints. I will work as long as I can. I don't think I'm gonna fully retire. And it's not only me. I know people in the trade, they're in their late 80s. They're still pulling around with watches on the bench, and they're having fun. They're enjoying it.
Wonderful.
Yeah. So if the Lord up there let me work, I will work. So.